By the end of this video, you will know how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. Start by logging in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are signed in and the dashboard is visible, move to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click Sales, then select Credit Notes. This opens the area where existing credit notes are listed and where a new one can be created. To begin a new credit note, click the plus New button. The credit note form will open, and this is where you will enter the details for the transaction. First, choose the customer name from the available list. After that, enter the credit note number. If you use reference tracking, you can also add a reference number, but that field is optional. Continue by selecting the credit note date, then choose the appropriate accounts receivable account. Make sure this account matches the one you want associated with the credit note before moving on. If needed, you can also assign the credit note to a salesperson. There is also a subject field, which you can fill in if you want a short description at the top of the credit note. Both of these fields are optional, so include them only if they are relevant to your record. Next, move down to the item table. This is where you will add the item or items being credited. Select each item that applies, then choose the related account for that line. Enter the quantity and the rate for each item, and add a discount if one should be applied. If tax is required, select the correct tax option for that item as well. As you complete each line, the amounts update automatically, so it is worth taking a moment to confirm that each entry reflects the credit you intend to issue. If the credit note includes shipping charges, enter that amount in the shipping section. If there is any other value that needs to be added or adjusted, use the adjustment field where applicable. After that, review the calculated total shown on the form. This total should match the overall amount you want to credit to the customer. Below the item and total sections, you can enter customer notes if you want the recipient to see a message on the credit note. You can also add terms and conditions if those need to appear on the document. These fields are optional, but they can be useful when you need to add context or internal policy language to the credit note. Before saving, review all the information on the form, including the customer, dates, item details, amounts, and totals. If you are not ready to finalize it, click Save as Draft so you can return later. If everything is complete and ready to be created, click Save as Open. Your credit note is now created in Zoho Books.